Hello, welcome to first tutorial video of HTML course. Without delay, let's begin with introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the most widely used language on web to develop web pages. HTML is the combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. Markup language is used to define the text document within tag, which defines the structure of web pages. HTML is a markup language which is used by the browser to manipulate text, images, and other contents to display it in the required format. Originally, HTML was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraph, lists, and so forth to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. Now, HTML is being widely used to format web pages with the help of different tags available in HTML language. Now, why HTML? Become a web designer. If you want to start a career as a professional web designer, HTML and CSS designing is a must skill. Understand web. If you want to optimize your website to boost its speed and performance, it is good to know HTML to yield best results. Now it's time to know application of HTML. Web pages development. HTML is used to create pages which are rendered over the web. Almost every page of the web is having HTML tags to render its detail in browser. Internet navigation. HTML provides tags which are used to navigate from one page to another and is heavily used in internet navigation. Responsive UI. HTML pages nowadays working well on all the platforms, mobiles, tabs, desktop or laptop owing to responsive design strategy. Offline support. HTML pages once loaded can be made available offline on machine without any need of internet. That's all for this first tutorial video and see you in next video.